All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a sink or countertop with baking soda. Right here I have pure baking soda, all right, I have some baking soda. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rag, I'm going to wet your rag, all right? Once you wet the rag, take some baking soda on there, wet your rag a little bit more, and then just scrub. I'm going to speed this up. Just scrub the countertop just like this, and it actually scrubs some of the crud, get a little more water on the countertop, and you don't have to deal with all those harsh chemicals that come with some of the stuff that you can buy from the store. All right, so this is natural cleaning. And then once I scrubbed it, I'm just gonna wet my cloth again to get it wet. And this is like the kind of like the rinsing phase. So I'm gonna take this once I've rinsed it, all right? And then just go around it one more time, like this, and voila. It is clean, it smells fresh, and that's how you clean with baking soda.